What is Docker? Docker is an open-source platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of applications using containerization. Let's explore how it works and its benefits. Docker allows developers to package applications and their dependencies into containers. These containers are lightweight, portable, and can run consistently across various environments. By encapsulating everything needed to run an application, Docker ensures that the application behaves the same way regardless of where it is deployed. The key features of Docker include simplified development process and improved collaboration. Here are some benefits of using Docker: portability across different environments, isolation of applications and their dependencies, enhanced scalability and resource efficiency, streamlined CI/CD processes. Docker's containerization technology streamlines the deployment process, making it easier to manage applications at scale. This leads to faster development cycles and reduced overhead. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you gained a better understanding of Docker and its impact on modern application development.